Okay, so now how we will floss properly. So take this much floss. Second finger of this hand will be the clean hand. So second finger of clean hand, we will tie the floss more. This will be the dirty hand. So second finger of dirty hand, we will tie the floss little bit less so we can just hold. Okay. Now we will floss with thumb and index finger. So you have to hold the floss with thumb and index finger so you can control the floss and you cannot hit your gums. So whenever you will be flossing, put the floss in, hug one tooth, go inside and clean up and down. 1, 2, 3. Hug another tooth and go inside and clean. 1, 2, 3. Then come out. Okay, now the bacteria are here. Okay, so we don't want these bacteria to go in this teeth. So what we will do, we will wrap this dirty thing on the dirty hand. We will open new floss from the clean hand. Then we will go in another side. Hug the tooth. 1, 2, 3. Hug another tooth. 1, 2, 3. Come out. Turn another one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come out. Okay. So you have to floss every night. Once a day is fine. Okay. And